Hello everybody, thank you all for joining me. If you are absolutely new here, my name is Vanita and I really appreciate you stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for hanging out with me once again. Alright you all, so for today's tutorial I am going to be demonstrating how to do the single crochet decrease stitch. Alright, so I have a few rows of single crochet stitches here. Alright, and I've gotten to the end of the row, so we know that when you get to the end of the row, you want to go ahead and just you're going to chain one. So I've already chained one. So I'm just going to turn my work here. All right, so this is going to be my first single crochet stitch. All right, so let me just show you all to make sure that you know. All right, so this is my first single crochet stitch. You have a V there. So each single crochet stitch right at the top of that is your V. All right, so that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So those are your single crochet stitches. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the decrease and turn that, get that correct. All right, so to do the decrease, the first thing you want to do is you're going to insert your hook underneath that first V, and you're gonna go through both sides there. All right, so just like that, and then you're gonna yarn over and pull up a loop. All right, so you have 2 loops on your hook now. You're going to go to the next single crochet stitch and go up on both sides of that V. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull up a loop, just like that. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you just want to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And that is your first single crochet decrease stitch. So I'm going to do that again. You just want to insert your hook underneath that first single crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Go to the next single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook now. You're going to yarn over and just pull through all 3 loops. And that is going to be your second single crochet decrease stitch. I'm going to do that one more time. You're going to insert your hook underneath the first single crochet stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, insert your hook underneath the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's it. That's how you do your single crochet decrease stitch. All right, so that's what that looks like. Okay, so I hope you all found some value in that. I hope that helps you to be able to do that stitch. If you find any value in this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click like. And please don't hesitate to click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload another video. And you all, if this tutorial helps you, please go down in the comment and just let me know how it helped you, and let me know if you tried the single crochet decrease stitch. I would really like to hear from you, and I thank you all so very much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.